Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove background noise using Capcut. So for you to do that, you have to open your Capcut on your PC. Once you have it open, then you come right here and import your media, your video. Then once you do that, then you open it in Capcut, then drag it down to your timeline. It's your timeline right here. You can see you have to drag this particular media from the importing folder, then you drag it to the timeline. Once you drag it to the timeline, you can see the video will appear on your screen right here. This is your screen. This is where you can see what you're working on from here. Whatever you do here on your timeline will appear here on your screen. So then make sure you tap on the video and move straight down to audio section of the video. Then simply check this particular box. Once you check it, you can see noise reduced. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.